Finally, after 4 years of using the same main camera sensor for the Ultra devices, Samsung decided to bring camera upgrade to the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Samsung is planning to use their new ISOCELL HP2 sensor with 200 megapixel resolution in the upcoming Galaxy S23 Ultra, and it's not just an extra microphone, so it's much bigger upgrade from the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Sensor introducing a new building technology, named Hexa Square Pixel, which is the latest technology for smartphones' camera sensors. Hexa Square Pixel binning is the next big step from Samsung's current technology, and with this new pinning technology at 200 megapixel we may have around 35 megapixel photos output, which is for the first time on any smartphone will be capable of shooting through 8K videos, at 60 frames per second, making the S23 Ultra more attractive to customers. Also, this sensor could be an RGBW sensor. This means the camera on the Galaxy S23 Ultra will have a fuller color palette and better light sensitivity from last year's S22 Ultra. Just yesterday we told you that the Galaxy S23 Ultra had been spotted getting its 3C certification, revealing that the phone is being tested with Xiaomi's own 25-watt charging adapter. It's easy to get excited heading into fall as we arrive at one of the busiest times of the year when it comes to consumer technology, with a variety of companies holding events showcasing the best of what they have to offer. But when it comes to leaks, it's never too early to start, and it looks like we are getting a small tidbit of information today, with regard to the unannounced Samsung Galaxy S23. Apparently the device has passed through network certification, and it appears that the phone is being tested with and could still rely on 25-watt fast charging. The news arrives from a known tipster Ice Universe, who shared the information on History Twitter account. Looking at the tweet, he stated that as per the details he has, there will be no real change between the Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus, and the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 models. Apparently the only major difference will be the upgrade to a newer, more powerful chipset. According to available data, Samsung Galaxy Astronaut Trip will receive a battery similar to its predecessor. It will be a 5000 mAh battery with a faster charging technology. Samsung has made it clear that it will not abandon the development of Exynos processor, and this could indicate that the South Koreans still plans to launch high-end smartphones with its own hardware. The new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is equipped with a 6.8 inches dynamic AMOLED 2X crane, with a resolution of 1440 by 388 pixels QHD+, with a screen refresh rate of 120 Hz per second. It is expected that the new Galaxy S23 line will officially launch in February next year. Let me know down in the comments section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.